Do you have an iPad and an Apple Pencil? Do you know that they can help you improve your art? On November 10th and 11th, I will be teaching a live class where I will explain how to use a very powerful and super popular app called Procreate. The app is only $10, but it will help you to save a lot of time, effort, and paper. Even if you prefer to create your art using real paper, paint, and brushes, doodling on your iPad will improve your artistic skills. You will finally put to use those reference photos that you've been saving and create beautiful artwork from them. You will save tons of paper when developing initial sketches. You will try out a variety of palettes and colors before you commit to painting on paper. Procreate files are easy to export and share, and your iPad is a very portable tool if you wanted to use it on location or in plein air. During our live sessions, I will explain the workspace of Procreate, show you all the drawing and painting tools. I'll explain how to import and modify reference photos, depending whether you want to just use them for inspiration or to create painting outlines from them. Those digital sketches will also help establish tonal relationships before you start painting. Also, color palettes in Procreate can be created from your imagination or from your reference photo. And in the class, I will show you how to do that. We will practice all the skills during our live sessions. I will give you homework. After that, you will gain the momentum to keep moving forward and to keep learning. I will be there to answer all your questions. I will explain all the basics without giving you an overwhelming amount of information that exists online about Procreate. If you sign up for the live class, you get lifetime access to my on-demand class, Procreate to Paper, which you can always refer to brush up your skills. Sign up on my website, kseniaanis.com/store. The live workshop is on November 10th and 11th. I hope to see you there.